Oh, Waffle, leaping around like a frog. I just want to say one thing. You're such a clever dog. So many nights we're awake when you're woofing. We still love you, everybody.
Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! You're such a clever dog. You're such a clever dog, you are.
Let's get you home, Trouble. Waffle, no!
Waffle, home!
Not your home, Waffle, my home, unfortunately.
OK, come on, Hobbs, quick!
In we go, Waffle.
Because we were still on holiday, Waffle was staying with Mrs Hobbs.
Whoa! Slow down, Waffle!
Oh, sorry.
And stop doggy licking me. Oh, Waffle.
George!
I'm sorry to say, Georgie, but Waffle has come to stay, but for one day and one night only.
Hi, George. Hi.
Whilst you're staying at our house, Waffle,
Yeah?
you have got to try to behave. No barking, no chewing, no doing any of the other daft doggy things you get up to next door. Yes, exactly, Georgie. This is a cat house. Next door is a dog house.
Oh.
Whilst you're staying here,
Yeah.
you could learn to be peaceful
Oh,
and well behaved, like a cat.
cat.
Like my George. Do you think you can do that, Waffle?
Yes.
Good fuss, Waffle. All you've got to do is stay there all day. Is that you purring, Waffle? Oh, I think this will work out just fine.
Fine.
Come in, Georgie. Mummy's coming.
Waffle be a cat. Yeah. Play cat tree. Meow. Uh-oh. Sorry. Meow.
Georgie's cat tree is out of bounds for you. Not again.
Oops. Sorry.
Waffle, you are no good at being a cat like my George. You're only good for one thing, being a dog. The sooner you go home, the better.
Oh. Waffle, go home. Hello. Hi. 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 Oh. Oh. Quiet. Oh, food. Oh, no food. I know. Play outside. Locked. Never mind. Waffle play ball. Oh, no ball. I know. Pet bears. Oh, no pet bears. No Evie. Miss you, Evie. Family, come home soon.
After a night of howling and very little sleep at the kennels, Waffle was so tired he fell asleep on my bed. And it was getting dark when he heard Mrs Hobbs calling.
Waffle? Waffle! Come back this instant!
Huh? Oh, Hobbs. Oh.
I might have known you'd be back to your doggy ways, using this old tunnel. Come back here now!
Sorry, Hobbs.
I may not be happy about it, but you are still my responsibility until the Brooklyn Bells get home. So you stay here with me.
I mean, meow.
It's your supper time, Waffle. Eat up. There. Time for me to have a rest. Oh, my feet all day. Caring for 2 pets. No one to care for me. I'm never usually this tired. Oh, dear.
Oh, poor Hobbobs. Oh, yeah, I know. Biscuits.
What is it now, Waffle?
Bicky.
Biscuits? Oh, are these for me?
Well,
You know, you're not so bad after all. For a dog, I mean.
oh,
Oh, you're being a kind dog again, Waffle.
kind dog. Meow.
I love a magazine to browse whilst I eat my biscuits. I'm not doing any more jobs today. Even the washing up of your dog bowl can be done later. Oh, I'm too tired.
Waffle wash bowl, Hobbobs.
Oh, no, thank you, Waffle. It can wait. And Georgie and I want beddy boys, don't we, Georgie? You get some rest too, Waffle. You've had a busy day.
Yeah.
Sleep now, and
Okay.
tomorrow your family will be home. Hooray!
Yeah.
Night-night,
Hooray.
Waffle.
Night, night, Hobbobs. Huh? Hello? Family back? Waffle check. Hello? Oh, family not back. Hello, Hobbobs.
I'm nearly asleep,
Oh,
Waffle.
sleep.
Be a kind and helpful dog for me and let me sleep.
Oh, I know. Kind, helpful dog. Wash up. Kind dog. Oh, washy, washy.
While Waffle washed up next door at Mrs Hobbs, he didn't hear us come back from our holiday early because we were missing him. Mom, we get Waffle now from Mrs Hobbs.
Night, Evie, it's too late. Mrs Hobbs, Waffle and George will be asleep.
Huh? Family?
But I still know Waffle will want to see me as soon as I get back. And me.
Yeah, well, look, you can see Waffle in the morning, which will come a lot sooner if you go to bed and go to sleep.
Oh, you're home.
Waffle!
Hello, family.
Oh, we missed you, Waffle.
We love you.
How are you, boy?
Love you.
Oh, Waffle, we need to get your box bed from Mrs Hobbs's house. Oh, no, she'll be fast asleep by now. We'll pick it up when we go and say thank you in the morning.
Yeah. Anyway, it's time for bed. Come on, last one in bed is a mucky pup. Teeth brushing time.
I'll brush my teeth once I found you a blanket, Waffle.
Blanket.
Now, where is it?
Evie.
Hey! Oh, Mom? Yeah? Do you know where a blanket is for Waffle's blanket bed?
I think we have one underneath our bed.
Oh yeah, that nice cosy fluffy one. Perfect on a cold chilly night, Waffle. Come on, go and have a look. That's it.
Oh, yep, got it.
Oh,
Oh, yep, here it is.
Waffle blanket.
I can just get it out. Waffle!
It's not playtime. Come on, come on. The sooner we get this out, the sooner we can make his bed. And then we can all get some sleep.
Blanket.
Waffle, no. Waffle, give it. Waffle.
Blanket.
Waffle, no. No.
Oops. Sorry.
Oh, can someone help me, please?
Yes.
Evie?
Simon, can you unlock the secret combination code for the suitcase?
Yes, I can do that.
And that was again...
Yes, do you mind?
Waffle, see?
Aw, Waffle, you can't see it.
Done.
to hug you tonight, Waffle. Oh, look, he's sleeping in the suitcase.
Waffle's found his own perfect bed for tonight.
He didn't need that blanket after all.
No, he's just pleased that we're all home together.
Night-night, Waffle. I was happy we were home, and even happier that Waffle had come home too. But back at Mrs Hobbs' house, I didn't know that Waffle had forgotten to turn off the taps. Poor Waffle. He was about to be in trouble again.
Everybody!
Waffle,